Okay, I want to make a quick demo video. This is showing a simple way to generate a sine wave. So this is a tool called Tone that you can get for iPhone or iOS. This is an iPhone 7, so I've got my little lightning adapter here. And basically this thing will run from like, I think it'll run up to a megahertz or somewhere near there, down to very low frequencies, like 100 hertz. So basically you adjust this rotary knob here, and you can change the frequency, and then you've got amplitude here, which is just the volume knob basically. This guy controls range of this guy. So what I did is I hooked this up to a standard audio jack connector, and then from there I've got it running into this op amp. This is an old design that I've got. This design has a -5 voltage or -5 volt converter, so you can basically bring USB into this, and then it'll give you +5 -5 out. And then I've got a high-speed linear technologies amp, and I've got a pot here so I can adjust the gain dynamically. So the signal goes into that and then out to the oscilloscope. And so what you can see is, if I put this down here so it doesn't shake, if I increase the frequency, you can see I get a frequency increase there. If I increase the volume, I get a amplitude increase. There's a decrease in volume, and finally, if I adjust the pot on the amp, you can see that the pot will change the amplitude as well. Now, at peak to peak amplitude, I'm getting a 2-volt swing. Of course, I could increase the gain to get far higher, and just out of the phone by itself, I'm getting roughly a 1-volt swing. So here's just about a 2x gain factor. But op amps can go far higher. This may be useful for doing things like driving galvos. I haven't really confirmed that, but it's an interesting way of going about the problem, and I think next I'll see if I can do something similar using a Raspberry Pi.